are here today to tell you you can save our environment in Minnesota.
We are going to tell you about plastic pollution, air quality, and pollution in the water.
These are topics that should be taken very seriously and talked about a lot, because by 2050 a lot of our normal animals are going to go extinct, and there will be 12 billion metric tons of plastic in landfills.
If we don't act today, we will never have the chance to.
A whopping 91% of plastic isn't recycled. Mass production of plastic, which began just 6 decades ago, has accelerated so rapidly that it has created 8.3 billion metric tons. Most of it is disposable products that end up in the trash. Plastic takes more than 400 years to degrade, so most of it still exists in the same form. Only 12% of it has been incinerated. Of the 8.3 billion metric tons that has been produced, 6.3 billion metric tons has become plastic waste. Of that, only 9% has been recycled. If percent trends continue, by 2050 there will be 12 billion metric tons of plastic landfills. That amount is 35,000 times as heavy as the Empire State Building.
Another way the earth is polluted is by gas exhaust from cars and trains. This can cause a lot of air pollution.
Pollution causes air quality to be very poor. When the air quality is poor, it makes people more risky for respiratory diseases like asthma and bronchitis. And it is also a risk for cancer and adds on to your medical costs. Pollution is responsible for 30,000 premature deaths each year. Pollution is caused by gas-powered vehicles like cars and trains. To buy a car for 10 years, it costs $118,250, whereas a bike only costs $1,000.
In Minnesota, we have many rivers and lakes. One of the most famous rivers is the Mississippi. Up in Itasca is the start of the Mississippi River. One way it is polluted is by salt put on roads during the winter, although it doesn't affect your health. Another way the Mississippi is polluted is by pesticides from farmland that enter rivers by sneaking underground. Another way our rivers and lakes are polluted is from leaks in underground storage tanks that hold gasoline-like substances. If the Mississippi gets polluted, it could start to pollute the ocean and kill animals. Now that you've realized how much our planet is going to be polluted by 2050, you can help stop this by picking up any trash or plastic you see.
You can ride a bike or walk instead of using a car.
Remember not to litter and help out by recycling any plastic you see.
We need to start acting now.